So with that said, now that we know what CPA marketing is, what the difference is, and where to go ahead and find networks, I want to go ahead and actually bring you into our dashboard. Here's our cash network dashboard, and we've sent 131 clicks today, so nothing significant at all. When you really ramp this up, we can bring literally thousands of clicks per day, and if you were to multiply that by 10, well, we can have commission days just kind of like that. But with that said, today we're just kind of sending some traffic, I believe, from some PS lines in some emails. But with that said, I want to go ahead and show you how to find offers and which offers I kind of look for in order to go ahead and create maximum ROI when I go ahead and promote. So with pretty much every single CPA network, when you log in, you'll have this little dashboard up in the left and it'll say offers. And I want to go ahead and click that. And then from there, usually there will be a bunch of different markets. So as you can see, we have auto insurance, we have car loans, we have easy money secrets, we have something called live the life, which is probably, so it's business opportunity. We have quite a few different markets that we can go ahead and tap into. Consumer services, credit score, dating, diet, and so on and so forth, right? So the first thing that you want to do is you want to go ahead and narrow down the actual market to the market that you're going ahead and promoting. So if I go to show filter here, we can go categories, and let's choose, just for the sake of this example, BizOp. As we are in the internet marketing space, we're not really in the BizOp space, but they're similar enough for this actual example. And the minute we choose BizOp, you can see that it just gave us a list of all of the various offers in the actual business opportunity space. So as you can see, partner with Anthony, website ATM, cash point ATM, website profit pro, etc. Now, when it comes to choosing the best offer, firstly, I'll tell you this. With CPA marketing, it all comes down to one number, and that number is EPC. Earnings per click. So what's going to happen when you send, traffic to all these various offers is you're going to get an earnings per click for each of these various offers. And all that means is that, let's say you send 100 clicks to one actual, offer, and it ends up making you a certain amount per click because you send 100 clicks and you get X, Y, Z in commissions. And let's say you earn, a 40 cent EPC, 40 cents per click when you go ahead and send that offer. You need to know if you're sending to one offer and making 40 cents and you're sending to another offer and making 80 cents to stop sending to the one and start sending to the other, right? So very simply put, it all comes down to testing. It all comes down to finding the offers that have the highest EPC. But with that said, I want to go ahead and share with you a few criteria that I kind of look for. So if I were to come into this offer, usually what I look for is firstly, the price that the thing's being sold at, and then secondly, the payout that I'm going to get. So as an example, this is 47 bucks and this is 68. Now that's a little bit lower than I would like. I usually look for, if it's, being sold at 47, I want to earn at least something around 80 or above. But again, it all comes down to EPC. So we might go ahead and test it just for the sake of testing. But at the end of the day, when I'm kind of looking for the initial offers to go ahead and choose, that's kind of more of what I'm looking for. If we go ahead and come in here, it looks like a lot of their offers are set to $68 with a $47 price point. Lots of times networks will do that. They'll kind of find a range that works for them because they need to make a profit as well. And then they'll go ahead and just stick to that range. But with that said, this is what I would do. So I'd literally just come in here and I'd go through all of the various offers and I just look at all the various price points and the various payouts for those actual price points. All right, so let's look at this offer. And here we have an $88 payout for a $47 offer. All right, so I would definitely want to go ahead and test this offer because every single time I send a $47 sale, I'm going to earn an $88 payout. All right, now, again, I would go through all the various offers. I would try to find the offers with the highest payout here. And then very simply, you would just go ahead and click tracking links. they're going to give you this link to send to. And every single time you send traffic to this actual offer and someone goes ahead and buys someone something, in this case, you're going to go ahead and make $88. All right. So that's kind of how you select offers with CPA marketing. And then from there, you can also test different types of offers. If we come into our primary offers dashboard and we actually just search by types of offers when it comes to leads versus regular offers, let me go ahead and come down here, Lead Summit. And we'll go from here. You can see that all of these various offers are CPLs, meaning that every single time someone submits their lead, cost per lead, you're going to get paid. So this is a website where every single time someone goes ahead and submits their email address on this website, they don't even need to buy anything. They go ahead and pay you a $1 payout. Now, with this setup, once again, that might sound really cool because it's, oh my God, I can make a sale without even, going ahead, or I can make a commission without even generating a sale. So I really don't need to sell anything. And that's really attractive to a lot of people. Remember, it all comes down to EPC. So if you're promoting this offer and you're earning a 50-cent EPC, even though people don't have to go ahead and buy something, but you're promoting, this offer or the offer that I just showed you a moment ago with the $88 payout, and people do need to buy stuff, but you're still earning, let's say, an 80-cent EPC, every single click that you send to the one offer with the 50-cent EPC versus the other offer with the 80-cent EPC, you're going to essentially be losing out on 30 cents per click every single time you send a click to that wrong offer. And if you take this seriously, and let's say over the course of a month, you send 100,000 clicks to all the various offers, well, that 30 cents per click adds up really, really, really quickly, and you end up losing a lot of money if you're going ahead and sending to the wrong offers. So that's my message for the day. Once again, CPA marketing, use it to add more cash flow, use it to, add additional streams of income. I wouldn't rely solely on it, but it can be really good to increase your cash flow with your business. Head over to Google, find a really good network. Don't just choose the top networks, go through all the various networks and find the networks that actually work best for you in your business. Get signed up with about 10 to 15 of them. Then after you do that, go through all the various network offers, look for offers that ideally pay you really high payouts on a price point somewhere kind of in the 2-to-1 range. So again, with that one specific offer, we sell it for $47 and we make almost $90, which would be just about 2-to-1. Look for offers in that range, but test a multitude of different offers. Find the offers with the best, highest converting EPCs, and then promote only the offers with the best, highest converting EPCs. And it's really simple. When you go ahead and send traffic, they show you exactly what your EPCs are in the back office, and you'll earn maximum commissions promoting just those products. So with that said, hope you got a ton of value out of today's video. If you did, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every single time I create a new video just like this one. And of course, let me know what your biggest takeaway was in the comments section below this video. I'll read every single comment. I try to reply to every single comment as well. And with that said, for your free gift that I promised you at the very beginning of this video, there'll be a video that pops up in the last 20 seconds of this video that says how to claim your free gifts. Go ahead, check that video out in order to claim your free gifts. And also check this additional video out that I created on a related topic to help you with CPA marketing and to help you specifically with affiliate marketing so that you can grow your business, make more sales, increase your profit, and at the end of the day, make more money. Once again, hit that subscribe button, bell icon notification button. Let me know what your biggest takeaway was in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.